So, hello everybody. Today we are going to see uh, a reading from the chapter of Unit 2 Systems Analyst Profession. So, this is the Unit 2 of MCS 014. Um, so, here are some uh, index here like introduction, objectives, and all. We will see one by one. Let's straight jump to the introduction. The work of a systems analyst who designs an information system is the same as an architect of a house. Three groups of people are involved in developing information systems for organizations. They are managers, users of the systems, and computer programmers who implement systems. The systems analyst coordinates the efforts of all these groups to effectively develop and operate computer-based information systems. Systems analysts develop information systems. For this task, they must know about concepts of systems. They must be involved in all the phases of system development life cycle, that is, from preliminary investigation to implementation. Success of development depends on skills and the dedication of systems analysts. Analyzing, designing, and implementing systems to suit organizational needs are the functions of systems analysts. She or he plays a major role in evaluating business benefits from computer technology. Systems analyst is basically a problem solver with unique skills. A systems analyst deals with people, procedures, and technologies. So, what are the objectives? After going through this unit, you would be able to know the need of system analysts in the business and in the development of information system. Know the job responsibilities of system analysts in the traditional business and in the modern business. Know the role of systems analysts in a team for the benefit of the organization and success of developed information system. Know different analytical skills that are important to systems development, including problem identification, problem solving, and systems thinking. Know the need for basic technical skills even when systems are developed using rapid prototyping and code generators. Know the way systems analysts use their skills in managing resources, projects, risk, and change, and know the importance of interpersonal skills for a systems analyst in communicating, working with teams, facilitating groups, and managing exceptions. So let's see how big this unit is. 2.4. Okay, so today we will complete um, till 2.4.2. Okay, now let's see. Objectives we have completed. Now, why do businesses need systems analysts? A computerized system enables an organization to provide accurate information and respond faster to the queries, events, etc. If a business needs computerized information system, a systems analyst is required for analysis and design of that system. Information systems evolved from the need to improve the use of computer resources for the information processing needs of business application. Customer defines the business problems to be solved by the computer. Project managers, analysts, programmers, and customers apply information technology to build information systems that solve those problems. Information technology offers the opportunity to collect and store enormous volume of data, process business transactions with great speed and accuracy, and provide timely and relevant information for taking correct decision by management. This potential could not be realized without the help of a systems analyst, since business users may not fully understand the capabilities and limitations of modern information technology. Similarly, computer programmers and information technologists do not fully understand the business applications they are trying to computerize or support. A communication gap has always existed between those who need computer based business solutions and those who understand information technology. Systems analysts bridges this gap. Now come the users. System users are defined as the people who use information systems or who are affected by the information system on a regular basis, that is capturing, validating, entering, uh, responding to, storing and exchanging data and information apart from others. A common synonym is client. System users are concerned with business requirements. There are two main classes of system users and they are discussed below. First, internal users are employees of the business for which an information system is built. Examples are clerical and service staff, technical and professional staff, supervisors, middle level managers, and executive managers. Remote and mobile users are the new class of internal users. They are geographically separated from the business. Examples of mobile users are sales and service representatives. An example of remote user is the person who is associated with telecommunication, that is working from home. The the person can be connected to the company's information system through modern communications technology. Now comes the external users. Modern information systems are now reaching beyond the boundaries of the traditional business to include customers and other businesses as system users. In business to business information systems, each business becomes an external user of the other businesses' information systems. For example, in the case of direct purchasing of product through the internet, customer becomes an external user of the retailer's order processing information systems. Another example is that if a business connect their purchasing systems directly to the order processing systems to their suppliers, then both become external users to each other. Now we will see the analysts in various functional areas. Today the systems analyst job represents a fascinating and exciting challenge. It offers high management visibility and opportunities for important decision making and creativity that may affect an entire organization. System analysts in traditional business. In the traditional business, information services are centralized for the entire organization or for a specific location. In this organization, the staff of information services uh, refer to figure 2.1, report directly to the Chief Executive Officer CEO. The highest ranking officer is sometimes called a Chief Information Officer CIO, and the rest of information services are organized according to the following functions or areas. System development. In traditional business, systems analysts and programmers are organized into permanent teams that support the information systems and applications for specific business function. System development unit includes a center for excellence, which is a group of experts, experienced systems analysts, system designers, and system builders who establish and enforce methods, tools, techniques, and quality for all system development projects. Data administration. Data and other information resources of the organization are managed. This includes databases that are used by system developers to support applications. Systems analysts who are experts in data analysis can work here. These analysts are known as data analysts. They analyze database requirements, design and construct sometimes the corresponding databases. Telecommunications. Here, computer networks that play a critical role in the success of any business are designed, implemented, and managed. Here, network analysts perform many of the tasks as applied to designing local and wide area networks that will ultimately be used by systems and applications. End user computing. The growing base of personal computers and local area networks in the end user community are supported. This provides installation services, training, and helps desk services. Analysts also provide standards uh, and consulting to end users that develop their own systems with PC powered tools such as spreadsheets and PC database management systems. In this center, analysts may work as end user computing consultants. Computer operations. All of the shared computers, including mainframes, mini computers, and other computers, are put to operation, and the same is coordinated. Systems analysts may work as capacity analysts in this area. Every analyst should know the management structure of a traditional information services organization. Systems analysts in modern business. Many medium to large information services units for the modern business have reorganized to be decentralized with a focus on empowerment and dynamic teams. In modern business, systems analysts may be reassigned to different projects at time to time. During the project, the systems analysts and other team members are directly accountable to the business unit for which the system is being developed. In this type of organization, the information services try to get closer to users and management to improve services and value. Today's analysts should also know about a modern information services organization. In modern business, two new trends are used for software development: outsourcing and consulting. Outsourcing is the act of contracting an outside vendor to assume responsibility for one or more IT functions or services. Consulting is the act of contracting uh, with an outside vendor to assume responsibility for or participate in one or more IT projects. So here we come to check your progress one, and the answers will be available in the description. So check that out, and thank you, and see you in the next lecture.